All right, what's up guys? Wilson here with another special project we're about to begin, and we have the man here. It's Kirby, one of our longtime friends and also the man who takes photos of all of our cars here. It's Kirby. Your Instagram handle is @itskirby, I believe, and itskirbyphotography.com. I left some information below. As you know, Kirby is a man of few words, or a man of many words, but he's a little bit camera shy right now. So what we have here is this brand new Porsche GT4 RS in PTS Yachting Blue. We're gonna work our magic on this, and at the end I'll show you some close-up details of our work. So Kirby, key. Thank you very much. So let's get this started. Alright guys, this car is completed and Kirby will be coming to pick up his car soon. So what we're going to do now is take a little bit of time to run over the details of what we did on the car. So while we're here, first off, Spectra Photosync IRD, the best heat blocking window film in the industry. What Kirby chose for his car is IRD 70%, which is the lightest shade in the Photosync line, and that's what you're looking at right over there. Maximum heat protection and providing UV blocking for the interior as well. Now, one thing for the rears, I think it was a great choice for Kirby to choose 70% film because, as you can see in here, there are some beautiful carbon fiber bits in this engine bay area, and keeping it at this lightest shade really allows you to be able to see the details of what's in there. And for the side, obviously you could choose whatever shade you deem necessary for your car, whether it's getting darker, getting maximum heat rejection, or staying light like what Kirby did on this car. So now, as far as the paint protection film goes, we basically protected most of the panels on this car, maybe with the exception of one or two. Now, let's talk about what's difficult on this car and how we do it versus what's typically done when it's by other companies. First off, the most difficult panel on this car is the front bumper. Now, you may see that it looks very similar to your standard GT4 bumper with the exception of the aero bits, but those aero bits play a big part in making this overall installation difficult. What I mean by that is typically when you have a pre-cut kit, you would get a joining seam right along here and a little bit of gapish because there is obviously seams. the film on the pre-cut templates also comes up right about here, and it doesn't go into these vented areas. Now what we did is a one-piece custom installation where all the edges are wrapped wherever possible. This area right over here, as you can see, does not have any seams, and in here the film is folded in as far as possible so that you get maximum protection. And we do all of that without having to remove the bumper or the aero bits on these areas at all. Now next, on the carbon fiber hood, we wrap the film on the corners, on the edges, right up to where, as far as we can, so that you don't get any seams sitting on the outside. The same thing is done on the NACA ducts. On these ducts right over here, the film is folded into these little vent areas so that you don't get the seams sitting on the top side. The same thing that we did for the previous GT3 RSs, where you have the sticker logo on the hood, we filmed right over that, and that provides protection for that decal and also for ease of cleaning. Now next, on the front fenders, the more difficult parts on here would be the areas surrounding the louvers and also behind the front tires. Now, because there aren't any room to wrap underneath, we bring the film right up to the edge with the utmost precision so that you don't get to see the seam. The seam doesn't even look like it's there unless maybe you get inches away and you're really looking for it. This provides maximum protection, and at the same time makes it look like there's no film on there at all. Same thing for this bottom area over here. As you can see, there are quite a few difficult compound curvatures over here, especially with this angle. What we did, this is still a one-piece custom installation, no relief openings on these areas. And what we did for Kirby at his request is, this fender being a one-piece installation was done, we also doubled up a layer where there was a factory piece over here. We doubled that up with ClearGuard Alpha's 10 mils film so that you get essentially 18 mils of paint protection on this area that is right behind the wheels. Now, to the doors. Doors, obviously, like how we do all the Porsches, is custom installed. No seams on this inside area by the mirrors. All these edges, front leading edges, all those areas are fully wrapped. And for the GT4, where you have the decals down here, we've simply filmed right over that as well, so that when you're cleaning the car, you don't have to worry about running the towels over, picking up corners, and obviously it's protected by the film from all the debris that can nick it up as well. Now, on the GT4 RS, since Kirby went with the YSAC package, he has these carbon fiber vents up here on the sides, and also carbon fiber rear spoiler. We did all those, protected it, custom installed like the rest of this car so that you get maximum protection. And even in areas like this where you have a little bit more detailed areas where we have to get the film really close and precise, you don't see the film over there at all. So essentially providing maximum protection with the best paint protection film out here. Lastly, what we did was we coated the entire car with Modesta's BC04 so that you get added gloss. And ClearGuard Alpha already boasts the best gloss and optical clarity in this industry already. So with the combination of any kind of coating, it really makes this color pop. So guys, that's pretty much what we did on this car. We're gonna wipe this down, get it ready for Kirby, as he will be here soon. So let's get that done.
What's up, guys? Wilson here.
Dude, shut up, man. Hey guys, so hey, come back in the screen, man.
Oh,
it's recording.
What?
All right, so guys, Kirby's car is completed. As you can see, that's his GT3 RS in chalk gray.
But we're the same thing.
That's right. We worked on your car, what, 2 years ago?
4 years ago.
Oh, time passes. So that's his GT3 RS, and you can see he has a great collection of Porsches, and he used to be a Ferrari guy as well. So, Kirby, your car is ready. Here's your key. I'll take the key for your RS.
Here you go.
Enjoy your car, and we will see you in a couple of weeks.
Thank you.
All right.